All GFTI college closing rank for JOSA 2022. Now, if you talk about Triple IT Naya Raipur, here's the information for CSE. Pack Chandigarh, this is one of the best GFTI college, 11.5. So, hi friend, this is Amit and you're at my channel Information and Educational Video. So, here I will provide you the complete information regarding GFTI cutoff rank, that is government funded technical institution. If you will not able to get an IT, Triple IT or IIT, then you can go for GFTI college as well. That will give you the better opportunity in the college at low fee. So rank versus all GFTI, this is the JOSA 2022 closing rank of 6th round. This will give you a reference and very soon I will provide you the expected for this year as well. So let's get started with the video without wasting your time. National Institute of Electrical and Information Technology Aurangabad, here is the cutoff. Only one branch is available. Sidewise you can check 60,000, 19.7, 10.1, 5.2, 9.5, that is for General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS respectively. Central University of Rajasthan, here you can check the data sidewise. For CSE 41.3, 16, 8.1, 8.8, 3.4, 7.5. That is for General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. For IIT RM Ahmedabad, here is the information. For Computer Engineering, here is the 36.5, 13.18 and 3.5 thousand. For Mechanical and Civil, you can check sidewise. For JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technology, Allahabad, here is the information for CSE and EC 44, 15.9, 8.8, 4.3, 7.6. These are the JOSA cutoff, not the CSAB. In CSAB, you will get the college at very high rank also. Last year also it gone up to very high rank, but in CSAB all those seats that will be left over in JOSA counseling, that will be given. So we don't have the idea this year what will be the cutoff. So once the JOSA counseling will be starting, that time I will be providing you for CSAB also and JOSA what will be expected for this year, because this is the last year data, but I will provide you very soon the expected based on current year data what it can be. I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship that I am doing from last 5 years. Over 5,000 students already guided by me for all type of college across India. There is NIT, Triple IT, GFTI, top private college like BITSAT, VIT, AEEE, Comet K, Manipal, SRM, LPU, MST CT colleges counseling, as well as Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, every type of counseling I've already done. You will get personalized choice filling order for each type of counseling, but no matter how many counseling will do, there is a nominal charge for that. That is 1-to-1 complete mentorship will be available. You can talk to me, you can text me any number of time whenever you want until you get into the college, because it is all about your career. There can't be a one PDF of choice filling that will be your counseling. There should be a complete discussion. Everything should be balanced, because you will get the best college with best possible branch. That's what I can assure you. If you want, you can contact me. So this was about my counseling and mentorship guidance. Hope you will provide me the responsibility to provide you the best college with best possible branch. So now if you talk about Triple IT Bhubaneswar, sidewise you can check the data for CSE 25.5, 9.5, 5.7, 2.6, 4.5 thousand. If you talk about Triple IT Naya Raipur, here's the information for CSE 18, 6.5, 4.3, 2.3 thousand. For General, OBC, SC, ST. JNU 23, 24.3, 10.2, 4.7, 2.3, 4.7. That is for CSE, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. It is the category rank. We talk about Pack Chandigarh. This is one of the best GFTI college. 11.5 thousand only the rank for CSE, and 2.7 for SC, ST, 1.2 thousand, EWS 2.2 thousand. For other branch, you can check sidewise. Now, if you talk about University of Hyderabad, 24.5, 9.5, 3.9, 1.6, 4.3 thousand. National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, Hatia. Here is the information. Sidewise you can check the data. 56.5, 18.6, 10.3, 4, 8.7 thousand. For BIT Misra, here is the information. 16, 3.8, 1.7, 2.6 thousand. A School of Engineering, Tezpur University. Here is the information for CSE. 50.6, 17, 8.1, 2.3, 8.4 thousand. Gurukula Kagri Viswavidyalaya, Haridwar. Here is the information. You can check sidewise. And Assam University also you can check sidewise. And Mizoram University, here is the information for Computer Engineering, IT, EC. And Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, Bhadoi, here is the information. For St. Longwal Institute of Technology, here is the information for CSE, EC and Food Technology. For Sri Mata Vaishno Devi, there is no reservation, only for general. Now if you talk about Pack Puducherry, here is the information. CSE, EC and Civil Engineering. For Central Institute of Technology, Assam, here is the information for CSE, EC and Food Technology. And ERIST Arunachal, here is the information for CSE, EC and Mechanical. Now if you talk about NIFT Haryana, here is the information. That is for Food Technology. For GKCIET West Bengal, here is the information for all three branches: Electrical, Food Technology, Mechanical. For IIST Varanasi, here is the information. That is for STT branch. Here is the information for all categories. CSVTU Bhilai, here is the information for CSE AI and CSE Data Science. Now if you talk about for NEHU Shillong, here is the information for EC, IT and Bio. For ICT Odisha, here is the information, that is only for chemical engineering data is available, that is only one branch is available. So here you can check the data. So this was the complete information regarding all GFTI college closing rank for JOSA 2022. This will give you a reference what are the college you can get, but this year what will be the expected cutoff I will provide you very soon in this same channel. Thank you.